say birds of the same feather. Flock together, left from whatever. Been some lonely endeavors. With your eyes to the heavens, they never expected. Find myself flying the highest when I'm an eagle in perfect alignment. Get faith or die trying. I feel like David, I see Goliath. I think I'm Daniel. Take out the...
It's your girl, Rock Your Glory. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. And thank y'all God for watching and coming through again for your girl. Anyways, I'm gonna change this shower curtain. I know y'all be wondering, like, girl, why you keep using that same shower curtain? Girl, only got 3. What's up? I'm gonna change my shower curtain for y'all. I'm gonna change it up for y'all. Don't judge me, okay? Don't judge me. Don't judge me. Anyways, I just got finished washing my hair, conditioning, shampoo, all that stuff like that. And you guys will see that video up here. But I'm about to do my hair. And my cousin, shout out to my cuz. I love you, cuz. I love you, cuz. Shout out to my cousin. She gave me a whole bunch of products, y'all, that she no longer wants to use anymore. And I decided to try it on my hair. This is the product that's going to be the show today. It's MissJessie's Wash and Go Frizz Free MultiCultural Curls. The best darn MultiCultural lotion, period. This is what I'm using right here. Y'all can see it. And it don't smell like nothing. And this is what it looks like. It feels very creamy. With this leave-in conditioner from Cream of Nature Argan Oil line, I'm going to use this leave-in conditioner. Watch me do it. Watch me do it. I'm about to split it in 2 sections. 2 sections. I'm going to use this oil right here and apply it to my hair. So I'll split it into 2 sections. And now I'm about to detangle it. Like I said, this junk, it don't smell like nothing. I'm just gonna try it out. I'm about to see how these curls look. Nah, I don't like it. I don't like the way it look. So I don't like the way it look in the wash and go. It don't look like it's gonna pop. So, and I got this my heat damage area. We're gonna scratch the wash and go, and we're gonna do a braid out or something. Okay, y'all. So my camera died while I was trying to record doing my hair. I use this product right here. And bye-bye. No, ain't no bye-bye. We talking to them about this product in my hair. So the product in my hair from MissJessie's, it's alright, man. I mean, I don't know. I gotta see the results of this 3-strand twist, mini twist. I did 3-strand mini twist, and I did a good job. This is my first time doing them this small, and I did a good job. Look at them. Look at that. Okay. Say Jesus. All right. So let's get it popping. So is this curls popping with this product or not? Can you stop interrupting me? I had to use like a lot of it to get my curl, well, to feel like my hair was moisturized with it. So we're gonna see how this goes. Okay. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. All right, I'll see y'all next clip. And I'm sorry, y'all, I'm not good at 3-strand twist yet. So if I feel like I'm confusing you with the way I'm taking out my hair, I'm still learning as you are learning from me. So please take time with me in that area. Okay, guys, so I'm about to review this product for you guys. And right now, I did a 3-strand twist in the mini twist, and it looked like exactly like a twist out to me. But I will have to take pictures to see the difference between this mini 3-strand twist and actually a twist out. But my hair is very frizzy with this product alone. I like definition more than volume, so I like my curls to last me a week. So this is gonna only last me for 3 days. But for this MultiCultural curls, the wash and go frizz free, I can say they lied. It's not frizz free. And I did a wash and go, and my curls were not defined enough, as you can see in the clip where I tried to do a wash and go and it didn't look right to me. So I did a 3-strand twist, and I can say I like my hair. I don't care about frizz, but I prefer definition more than volume. So I give this product a C+ plus. I don't give it a A. I wanted to put a gel with this, but something kept telling me like add a gel. But I want to purely review this product for you guys. So I still will be using it because it was given to me, okay? And I still will be using this Miss Jessie multiple curls. As for the stuff they said on here, I will not use this for a wash and go for my hair. I will not use it as a wash and go. I will use it as a 3-strand twist, or like a twist out or something like that. But I would add a gel to it for hold. I feel like this didn't have enough hold. I feel like it was honestly a cream, like you put it on and then a gel. I'm willing to try those and see how those turn out on my hair and see how it works out for my hair. So let me know how y'all like my hair. Give me a comment. Have you tried this product? Are you willing to try this product? What you think about it when I did it, and what y'all think about my hair, because I wasn't able to I showed y'all how I applied it. That's how much I applied for each twist. But let me know if you want me to do another style so you can see the details. Let me know in the comment section. Thank you guys so much for watching Rock Your Glory. Thank you for the subscribers that's on my channel, and deuces. Say bye bye. See you later. Bye bye.